Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig from Outre's daily wig collection. I got the style Astor, so stay tuned if you want to see how I fix it, I guess, and style it. Not style it, but you'll see what I mean. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I got this wig in the number 2 as always. It looks and they have a lot of different colors. I know one thing about Outre, they're really good when it comes to their colors. So I want to try the ginger brown. Definitely. If not in this style, maybe in the other style, Mora. The special color this wig comes in is ginger brown, chocolate swirl, sandy blonde, Cajun spice, golden amber, and red velvet. It also comes in, the regular black, number 2, like those normal regular colors. Right now I'm showing you guys that it comes with a comb in the back, the 2 combs in the front, the adjustable straps, and the wig band. I'm showing you guys that I have on my wig cap and my wig grip. Also make sure that when you put your wig on, always place the combs underneath your wig grip instead of your wig cap, because you don't want to create tension or friction. I'm gonna flatten this, put some powder in this parting space, and I'll be back. I ended up taking out my curling wand because that piece in the front was bothering me. Normally when I flatten my wigs, I use my hot comb or blow dryer, but this time I just decided to use my curling wand. Next time I'll definitely use my hot comb to flatten it. I like it. It's easy, it's simple, it's pretty. It's affordable, it's pretty, it's simple, it's easy to install. It goes with just about any outfit or any look. You can wear it every day and it's affordable. Like, you can't beat it. It's definitely beginner friendly. I think they did a good job with this hand tied lace. I got this at SamsBeauty. I caught it on sale. It was like $18. I don't know how much it is now, but it's pretty affordable. At least $20. No more than $25. Unless you're getting one of those special colors. So it really depends, because sometimes some companies charge $2 extra for the special colors or $4 extra for the special colors. So it depends on where you get it from, I guess. That part in the front was getting on my nerves. That's why I kept messing with it. Y'all, let me know, how would you wear this? Would you wear this as a middle part, a right side part, or a left side part? Would you get one of those special colors? Let me know. Leave it in the comments. I feel like this is a good length too. A good everyday length. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. If nobody told you today, you are enough. You're kind, you're beautiful, you're smart. And today's message, let's see. Last time I said give yourself grace. This time I'll say it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to not be okay. And just give yourself time. Don't give up. Remember to love more, judge less. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.